Hello friends, welcome to Nowhere Geometrics GIS learning channel. So in earlier video we have seen how to georeference a scan map. In this case we have georeference a survey of India scan topo sheet by using ArcGIS software and by using georeference tool, this particular. So we have also assigned coordinate system to this particular map, and that's why we can see the coordinates of the map and also the unit decimal degrees you can see, and you can also see it from here from properties. We have assigned geographic coordinate system to this particular map. Now in this particular short video we are going to see how to transform a scan map, a georeference map with geographic coordinate system, how we can transform its coordinate system from geographic to projected coordinate system. We know that there are two types of coordinate system. One is geographic coordinate system and another is projected coordinate system. Now the difference is geographic coordinate system deals with degrees of latitude and longitude, and projected coordinate system deals with the measurements like feet, meters, kilometers, like this. So we have added georeference topo sheet with geographic coordinate system, and now we are using Arc toolbox, and we'll open the tool from data management tools, and in that the tool is in projections and transformations. Since this is a raster map, we have to open raster tools, and in that there is an option called project raster. Just we have to double click it. So it is open, the tool is open, we can close the toolbox. So simply we have to assign input, that is our georeference topo sheet that we have added. From this particular drop down arrow, just click it and click on this particular name of the map. So software intake is taking the input map. It takes some time. So you can see this is our input file, and this file's coordinate system is visible here. GCS means Geographic Coordinate System, Everest, India, Nepal. Now again one new raster will be created, and we have to assign the output raster here. So I have created a folder called task. I will again create a new folder, and in that I will save my file. I will give the name. So I will give the topo sheet index number, and at the end I will write reproject. So this process is also termed as reproject, and after giving name type .img or whichever format you want. Like if you want to give TIFF, you can write .tif. So in this case I have written .img. This is the raster, one of the raster format. Then say save. Then here we have to assign new coordinate system, that will be a projected coordinate system from here. So you can see the new window is open, and in that we have to browse for projected coordinate system from here. Just click on this plus sign. Now there are many projected coordinate systems, but mostly favorable or widely used is UTM. The long form is Universal Transverse Mercator. So click on that, and in that, this is a datum actually, WGS 1984. This is also most favorable and widely used. So go to that. Now India is in northern hemisphere of the world. So go to the northern hemisphere, and we know that in UTM system there are 60 worldwide zones in the world, in the both hemisphere, north and south hemisphere. So our country is in north hemisphere, and our region that we are dealing, it is in Maharashtra state of India. It is come under this particular zone, like 43 north. WGS 1984 UTM zone 43 north is for the region of Maharashtra, and some adjacent states also are included, and the details of this coordinate system can be visible here. Just say OK. After this, click on OK. So this tool will be run in the background. You can see its progress from here, geoprocessing. And go to results. In this, go to this current session, and you can see this is our tool which is being run in the background. So this symbol is for the tool is being run, and after finishing the tool, the symbol will be changed. So in this particular transformation actually, just the coordinate reference system is being changed, and the rest of the things like appearance of the map will remain same. Not much change will be seen in the map display. So now we can see the map is being created, the tool has been done, and you can see the symbol has been changed. So we can see the new map has been added. So both of the map will look similar in the appearance, so just minor difference. But the major difference we can see after viewing the same map in the new view actually, because in when we add a geographic coordinate system map, so these values will be different. And let us see, let us take new blank map. Okay, no, now let us add our new map. So we have saved this map in the project folder. Just select and add. So you can see after adding this map, we can see the values of latitude and longitude or coordinates are different, because they have converted from latitude and longitude to meters unit, and that's it. The projected coordinate system will look like this. Now one may get a question like, why we transform from geographic to projected? So the reason is in projected coordinate system, when I digitize some of the features on this particular map, suppose a road or river, so I can easily calculate the length, and if I I have digitized a polygon layer, so I can calculate the area of that particular polygon. So that is the benefit of the projected coordinate system. So that's it. So thank you so much, friends.